Hi and welcome back. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the parameter of this DFC controller. This is the model DFC controller 4520. Okay, and how to enter in a parameter menu and how to adjust all the parameters. So as you can see, make sure the generator is on at the rest, not in running or not in start condition. Generator in a stop mode. Okay, first of all you need to press of this controller model this 2 button instantly. As you can see, I will enter in a parameter setting. Okay, this is our contrast, the screen resolution. I will increase and decrease. If I want to increase this, press the check button. It's well flashing, and this minus button will increase the value and this will decrease the value. Okay, as you can see, and after that I want to save it, press the check button. Here we go. Okay, after that, here as you can see, here is some numbers you need to download of this controller complete catalog. Each numbers show the different type of menus. Okay, when I press this button, arrow up and arrow down, 201 menu. When I want to check this 201 menu and then enter, and this here, as you can see, this is a back and forth button, and as you can see, here we go, we can communication and also starting delay. Okay, and the number is running on 302 456. Okay, digital input. Okay, open. You need to check all this number and the catalog. Okay, you cannot memorize it all. You need to check the complete catalog of this controller, and complete catalog show you which is 307 for it. Okay, after that I want to go 401 menu and check. As you can see here, digital input 60 cycle frequency, and here we have some setting, over frequency, under frequency, transit delay, timing, glow plug, timing, and as you can see, this is the fail to start. After that I want to go another menu, 502. Okay, as you can see, the engine timing, coil delay, here also 401, 501, 601. As you can see, under voltage, our voltage on and off. Okay, here if you want to enable or disable some warning or shutdown, you need to, this one means that's under voltage is active. If you want to disable that, press the check button, this will flashing, and press the minus button, that will be off, and then save it. But I did not want to save off this safety. Okay, after that, under voltage setup, voltage and our voltage warning is on, and our voltage value setup. If I want to increase or decrease, press the check button, and you can also increase or decrease. Okay, click the check button, and I want to increase and decrease. Okay, after that, next menu, under frequency is on, shutdown, under frequency setup, and it's all setting is like that. And finally, if you want to go back to the main menu, press this button for 4 seconds. Here we go, setting is completely saved, and your setting is saved. So thanks for watching, see you all next time, goodbye.